Eddie of Simple Kustoms by Eddie Papandrea is a 35th participant in the Silva challenge. This challenge is a little different than usual. As you may notice, the box is a little different. There's a reason for that. I mentioned recently that I'm going to be doing some unusual challenges as part of the Silva challenge. And recently on one of my, I believe it was an unboxing video, Eddie left a comment, and it regarded some large-scale castings that I had received in the shipment. And he mentioned something about, gee, you should build those into a challenge or something like that, or give those away, see what people can do with them, that kind of thing. Well, this is a case of be careful what you wish for, because Eddie is getting a large-scale Silva challenge, which is the reason for the box being different. It's my chance to get rid of some of these large-scale castings that I don't generally work on. I mean, I love the K7s, that kind of thing, but otherwise I don't do much. Some of these are really interesting. So, yeah, this is heading Eddie's way. So this is an old Erdl dump truck. Apparently somebody spray painted the whole thing gray for some reason. The nice thing about some of these is there's a lot of empty space in these, so I'm going to jam stuff in there that I also want to get rid of, like, I don't know what this is. It's made in China, but it's a really ugly little car that'll fit just perfectly in the bed there. Let's see, here's another Erdl. This is obviously some kind of case farm equipment. Yeah. Actually, I think that little car is going to fit in there better. Yeah. So, let's see. Yeah, there's just something totally ugly about that. Yeah. What's that supposed to be, a Corvette? It's a Hot Wheels 2005 Corvette. Yeah. Okay. That works. This is a Welly. A Welly taxi. This is actually pretty cool. Has an opening front. I'm assuming, yeah, it'd be the right side drive. Driver's door opens. But that's kind of cool. Yeah, this is a Hot Wheels, apparently from 1999. Handle with care, explosives. Oh no! And then I pretty much drop it. This is more like it, a Tonka toy. Look at that. How can you not have fun doing a post-apocalyptic Gasland sci-fi build with that? Right? Let's see. A Solido Renault 40 CV 1926. That's pretty cool. This box may be way too big for this. Chevrolet C3100, which is a Road Champs with opening doors and no tailgate and a missing part of the back bumper. But look, it actually comes with an extra tire. The tire's actually there. So you can't beat that, right? Sure. Oh, this looks familiar, doesn't it? This is a Matchbox model of yesteryear. Mercedes-Benz 19... I can't make it out, 1928 or 3. We'll put that right next to that one. Here's a Tomica Dandy. A Fairlady Z. Yeah, Fairlady Z, doesn't say what year or anything. And it's almost complete. It has the interior. It looks like the seats. The back opens. That's pretty cool. The doors are slightly missing. Slightly used. How about a PT Cruiser? This is a Maisto PT Cruiser, GT Cruiser, but it's obviously a PT Cruiser. PT GT Cruiser. Okay. Okay. I don't know that there's going to be many of those surviving into the future. But how about the body? What is that? Titan? Yeah, Nissan Titan body. No base. Not sure who makes it. Yeah, not sure. Don't see like a Hot Wheels logo or anything like that. This Disney Pixar. I don't see who made it. It looks like this. If this were to pop up, you'd be able to see the eyeballs. So there's eyes on that. Eesh. Monster Jam. Sure. Oh, you need a plane. You know, I like throwing planes in all of these. Here's a good sized plane. There you go. Figure out something with that, right? What's this, a Charger? Yeah, Dodge Charger. Made in Macau. Not sure by who. Nice rear louvers. Who could ask for anything more, right? Scale 1/48, I think. Yeah, 1/48 scale. Let's see, what do we have here? This is a Road Champs Chevy S10 with working tailgate, working doors, non-opening hood, screws together. Can't beat that. The heck? Tonka! I think this is all plastic, except for that metal on the very base, because that's almost just decorative. You need a helicopter. How about a Hot Wheels helicopter? You know, I try and throw flying stuff in here. You got a plane. How about a helicopter? How about a train? Oh, it's not a train. I saw this much of it and thought it was a train. Chevron by Ledo, L-L-E-D-O PLC, exclusively for Chevron. Yeah, that's a nice looking old truck. That's kind of cool. How about a box of mortars? It's supposed to be a wood box. Not a clue as to what that's off of. How about an old Hot Wheels dragster? There you got the engine on that. Hey, I should take the engine off of that before I send it to you. There you go. This isn't part of the challenge. This is something that Eddie asked me to hold for him when I was doing one of the openings because his wife works for the mail service. So send that now. How about a boat? Yes, a very tiny boat. I'll throw in some 3D parts. I haven't pulled these off of the base. I'll let you do that. There's some tires, wheels. What else can I throw in here, Eddie? Let's grab some more pieces here. Grab some more 3D junk. Here's some more guns. Odd chance to need them. Here's some bigger skulls. Let's see. There's some front ram kind of things. How about some more larger wheels? I think these are all, yeah, these are all the same design. They were just printed at different times. Man, I want to put more in there. Let's pause this for a minute. I'm back. How about... Yeah, I found more stuff to throw in here. How about a bug? There you go. Look, hidden tire in there too. Look, you got so many extra parts on this stuff, Eddie. Man, so much great stuff. This is an S. Huh. Huh. Oh, that's kind of cool. Door's obviously open. I guess that's a cool thing about larger scale stuff. Yeah, this is all metal. Jeez. That's solid, no tracks, but you could do something cool with that, Eddie. Come on. Model of yesteryear, obviously. Matchbox Rolls Royce. Okay. Tonka. Oh, that is cool. That's cool. That actually, you get down to it, that probably isn't large scale. When you compare it to the size of, 1/64th cars and stuff. Hasbro, all rights reserved. Tonka. Rocket launcher of some kind. This is a Tootsie Toy Desert Snake. Okay, that sounds good and post-apocalyptic-y. How about a pickup? Ford F-150. Yeah, Ford F-150, 140 to scale, 1997. That's another one of those S. I don't know if you can see that S logo there. S. Used under license, made in China. Again, I think this is a lot like something else I threw in there already. Must have been something popular. How about a Hummer? Opening doors. Opening doors. Non-opening door. Yeah, opening doors. Opening doors. Trust me. That's all that opens on this thing. This is a Maisto Hummer SUV H2, I believe. Yes. 146 scale. Oh, Lord, I think that's it. Pound for pound, the heaviest Silva challenge to hit the mail. Yeah, that's everything. Okay, Eddie, have at it. I'll throw some padding on the top of this thing and get this out in the mail to you. I'm really curious as to what you're going to do with any of this stuff. And I hope you have a lot of fun with it. Everybody, I hope you enjoyed this. Wish Eddie luck. Everybody stay safe and healthy out there. And have fun. Catch you in the next one.